Welcome to today's session to regulate the vagus nerve. A quick 5-minute reset. So bring yourself to seated upright, shoulders back and down. And as you arrive in your space, briskly warm the hands. And then placing the warm hands over your ears as you breathe in, lightly press the hands over the ears, and as you breathe out, relax them. Soft gaze or close your eyes. Do this 6 more times. Now gently sliding the pads of the fingers down the sides of the neck, from behind the ears down to the collarbone. Bring some taps across the chest, shoulder to shoulder. Gently warm the heart with the hands. Place the hands to the belly, work around the navel, solar plexus center, slowly warming and smoothing. Across to the right, smoothing forwards and back across the liver. And across to the opposite side, forwards and back, across the spleen. And bring the hands to the back body, back of the hands or the palms to the kidneys. Just warming here, or keep the hands still, breathing in warmth from the hands. Slightly deeper breaths into the belly. And gently release yourself round onto all fours. Wrists under the shoulders, knees under the hips, anchor the tops of the feet or the toes to recruit in the core. Breathe in, neutral spine. Breathe out, cat stretch. 7 more times, dipping if you want to as you breathe in. Rest back into child pose or lie on your front in crocodile. Arms by your sides, back of the hands down, forehead down to the earth. And we're going to perform humming breath here, Brahmari breath. So breathing in through the nostrils. As you breathe out, make a humming sound to the length of the exhalation without strain. You can have a little breather between each breath. And we're going to perform this for the next minute. Slowly release your resting position and humming breath. Come back to seated, shoulders back and down 4 times. And gently turning the head to the right as you breathe in, to the left as you breathe out. Just keep this flowing. Gaze soft or eyes closed. And then from centre, breathing in, lifting the chin if you want to, breathing out chin to chest. A gentle flexion and extension of the neck, big or small. And coming back to centre with the breath in and out. Bring your hands to Anjali Mudra in front of the heart. Gaze soft. Thank yourself for this quick vagus nerve refresh yoga. And affirm in your own mind, my vagus nerve is refreshed and rejuvenated. Today is a wonderful day. Namaste.